and welcome to the Jude Akinkwade channel. I'm so excited to host you and to have you on the channel. If it's your first time, welcome. Please do like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you would be informed as I turn out this premium videos. If it's not your first time, thank you very much for always watching and engaging with my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what to expect in the forthcoming ICAN examination for May 2023. And I'm going to be doing this using the trend analysis. I will be showing you how ICAN has been examining the papers over the years from November 2014 up till the last diet, November 2022. Now, this video is specifically for strategic financial management students. So, if you're going to be writing strategic financial management in the forthcoming May 2023 ICAN examination, you want to sit tight. Please share this video with your colleagues and everyone around you. Okay, so let's dive in. So, what exactly should you expect in the forthcoming May 2023 ICAN examination? I've done this, I've categorized this into three. I have three basic colors. They should be gold, as you can see on my screen, just like gold. So for this, you should give premium priority. I have yellow. For yellow, you should give priority. And for blue, you should pay attention. I'm going to be explaining this as I go on. All right, so here are the topics you should give premium priority. Now, mergers and acquisitions with valuation. It's been examined 17 times, as you can see on my screen, from November 2014 up till November 2022. That's the last diet. So here's how it's been examined over the years. ICANN has examined this heavily from November 2014 to November 2022. So you want to give premium priority to your mergers and acquisitions with valuations. The next topic you should give premium priority to is your cost of capital, financing of project, and your adjusted present value. This also has been heavily examined from November 2014 up till November 2022. As you can see, it was examined in November 2024, question 1, May 2020, May 2016. Oh, pardon me, please. It was examined in November 2014, question 1, May 2016, question 1 and 2, November 2016, question 1 and 2, May 2017, question 1 and 4, November 2018, question 1, question 1 and 6 of November 2019, question 3 of July 2020, also question 2 in May 2021, question 1 November 2021, question 1 November 2022, also question 2 and 5, and finally questions 1 and 3 November 2022. Give minimum attention to your cost of capital, your financing of project, and your adjusted present value. All right, the next major topic to give premium priority, premium attention to is your introduction to strategic financial management. Yes, I know it's theory, and most students tend to skip this topic, probably because they assume it's something they can easily read, or they assume it's just simple. But as simple as it might be, you want to give it premium attention. You want to pay attention to this particular topic because it's one of the most examined topics in your ICANN examination. So, as you can see on the screen, also from November 2014, even up to last diet, November 2022, Introduction to Strategic Financial Management has been examined. So you want to give it premium priority. All right, so the next category is the ones in yellow. You want to give priority to these particular topics, and that's portfolio theory and your capital asset pricing model. You want to give it priority. So what it means is that once you're done with these topics, the topics I mentioned earlier, then you want to shift your attention to these next topics, the ones in yellow. So for your portfolio theory and capital asset pricing model, it's been examined 12 times from May 2015 to November 2021. Uh, you should be expecting it in 2023 examination. It might come in May and it might also come in November, but you just want to be prepared. You do not want to be caught unawares. So give priority, give attention to your portfolio theory and capital asset pricing model. The same thing for your discounted cash flows. As you can see on my screen, it's been examined from November 2014 till May 2022. This also, you should be expecting your discounted cash flows in your 2023 examination. It might be in May, it might be in November. You want to be prepared ahead of time. So you want to give priority to your DCF analysis, also your bond valuation, duration, and yield curve. You want to give priority to your bond valuation, duration, and yield curve. As you can see on the screen, the last time this was examined was May 2018. That's in question two. However, it's actually very probable that you might meet this in your examination. So you want to give priority to bond valuation, duration, and yield curve. Finally, in this category, your corporate reconstruction and reorganization. The last time this was examined was May 2019, question 3. You want to give priority to this particular topic. Now, the final category that I have that you want to pay attention to. So, after you're done with the first major categories and you're done with the categories, that's the ones in yellow, you want to pay attention to these particular topics. So, we have your features, your options, and options pricing theory. It's been examined 10 times from May 2016 up till last year, November 2022. Anything can happen. ICAN can spring a surprise. It might be in May, it might be in November, but you should be expecting this in 2023 examination. So you want to pay attention to this. Also, your forward contracts and money market edge. The last time this was examined was May 2021. So you should expect this. So you want to pay attention to that. Forward contracts and money market edge. Finally, in this category, you want to pay attention to your financial market management environment. Your financial management environment. The last time it was examined was in May 2021. So it's you might meet this in your May 2023 examination, so that you're prepared ahead of time. So you want to pay attention to this. Okay, you can see other ones that were not highlighted, were not colored. For this, you necessarily might not need to pay too much attention to this. Anyways, based on my own analysis, anyways, please, you still need to please go through all the topics. Of course, you're expected to finish the topics in the syllabus. You're expected to complete the syllabus. This is just something to guide you and to direct you, to give you areas of focus where you should focus most of your attention or more of your attention to. So once you're done with all the topics that have been highlighted or colored, you can now start visiting the ones that are not colored. I hope you understand that. All right, thank you. So in this video, I've shared with you the areas where you should pay attention to, the topics, probable topics. That's the topics you might likely meet in your forthcoming May 2023 examinations. I hope you got value from this video. Please do let me know if you got value from this video. Drop in the comment section. I want to know if you got value in this video. If you've got comments, if you've got suggestions, please do drop in the comments. Thank you very much for watching my video. Once again, if it's your first time, please do like, subscribe, and turn on your notification button as I share other videos on areas to expect in your forthcoming ICAN examination. If it's not your first time, thank you very much for always watching and engaging with my video. And one final thing I just want to do for me, please share this link, share this video with your friends and everyone around you taking the ICAN examination. Thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.